So, Ken, as we think about third-party management and how we apply it to industries, do you see any similarities or differences in how it's applied?
Industries have different appetites for risk. They apply risk models differently. There is a pattern in terms of risk versus reward when it comes to industry. Mm-hmm. And so when we think of that chart, that XY chart, X being your spend, Y being your confidence in your program, there's a common formula, which is the less money you spend, the less confident you're going to be. The more money you spend, i.e. the more resources you put in place, the more confidence you're going to have in your program. If you use that XY example, what you'll see is in the upper right-hand corner, the companies that spend the most money and have the highest level of confidence tend to be the industry sector or in the industry sector. And then as you move down, you start to see that pharmaceutical and medical device tend to be second on that chart in the upper right. And then there's technology and then manufacturing. And there's a correlation on that chart that comes back to the population of third parties. The reason that the energy sector tends to be have more confidence, to be more conservative, spend more money, is because they have a much smaller population, generally in the hundreds of third parties, versus the other extreme being manufacturing, where they have literally hundreds of thousands of third-party relationships, and the cost is significantly more. And so they have to balance that, because when it comes to reasonableness, remember, one aspect of reasonableness in your program is the cost. There's no expectation that you're going to go out of business because you're managing your third parties. Mm-hmm. So cost is an element.